Oh my god, that was actually scary. Richie! Richie! Help! Trey, help!
Pick up.
Shit,
I literally turned off noise suppression.
Far left key.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wakey till day Matilde, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Hello,
I beat MISFIRE.
Hello, my name is Jamie Fox, 1992, and my talk is the Bad Boys Guide to Raping Animals.
Oh!
The dolphin, alright? I raped the dolphin.
That's a dolphin!
Alright, Lil Jonker, hit me up.
I got you. Alright, I hear you like to spar with Trey. Ooh, wild sex with his big brother who is Bay. You're like a cartoon, a regular Goofy from Mickey Mouse.